looks like hell from here, this too shall pass. I know it's hard to tell, but this too shall pass. There's hope a-coming, hold on tight. Don't give up, it'll be alright. When it seems all your faith is gone, this too shall pass. When everything feels wrong, this too shall pass. There's hope a-coming, hold on tight. Don't give up, it'll be alright. For this too shall pass. The dark times will end, your bruises will mend. The cavalry is just around the bend. So hold on tight with all your might, for this too shall pass. I know sometimes you wonder, how will I make it through this next breath? And how will I recover when every moment brings a little death? But this too shall pass. The dark times will end, your bruises will mend. The cavalry is just around the bend. So hold on tight, for this too shall pass.